No, because let's talk about it. Because when I try to explain to you lot how cold this place is, people think, oh, it just shiver cold. The cold here will not make you shiver. It will make you tremble. It is so painful. It's not like you go outside and be doing like this. No, it's not that kind of cold. It will pain your skin. It will pain your skin. It's as if somebody is using the rock of salvation, and hitting every pore of your skin. You understand? You go. And by the time you get back into your car or you get back home, you're almost paralyzed. That is how cold this place is. It's not. What the hell is here? Ew. It's not shiver cold. It's not shiver cold. So cover up, kids. Cover up. Now that that's out of the way, what's up and welcome back to another vlog.
I wanna blow up in the limelight. Think about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night. Trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life.
I've not vlogged in a long time, to be honest. Today is Saturday. The last time I vlogged was on the 25th of last month. Somebody's behind me, I know. On 25th of last month, and today is what's today? Today is, see, I don't know the date, but I'm just going to guess today is the 10th because in the air it's smelling like the 10th. So I'm not even going to confirm like on my phone to check the date, but you guys should just take it on the 10th because that's how today is smelling like. 9th. Yeah, I'm almost close. There's no need to correct me. I'm going to church today. I'm not late, but if I keep talking to you guys, I'm going to be late. And let me tell you something. You will not come in between me and God. So I'm going to pretend that you guys are not here and for what to wear. And don't ask me why my clothes are downstairs in the basement. It's none of your business. I'm going to wear this shirt. I found one of the things I want to wear. This. Period. Or some gown, my gown. I have what I want to wear here. So let's go upstairs. So I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm going to shower. And I'll see you guys later. I want to iron my clothes, unfortunately, because like it's kind of rumpled and my body cannot stretch it out. So I'm going to iron it. Hopefully I don't burn it. Hopefully I don't burn it. Burn it up. Girl, make it hot like the roof is on fire. I look like Itiri. Hopefully I don't burn my clothes because I literally hate ironing my clothes. Listen, let me tell you something. I've been seriously ironing for 2 minutes now and I didn't even notice that I was not on. What will I do for you to get hot now? Get hot for me. Should I seduce you? Get hot for me now, please. You don't want to get hot. Should I dance for you? Let me dance for you so that you get hot. Are you hot now? Please, I need to iron my trousers. You guys, this is not want to get hot. You guys, I'm about to brush my teeth. Tell me to change my toothbrush. Like, the toothbrush is now crying for help. The toothbrush is telling me, please leave me alone, leave me alone. alone. Please leave me alone. You know what I eat? But I'm not going to leave you. You must suffer in this life. Because even when I tell you, oh, you need to redo my edges, you must suffer. So I'm going to shower right now. I mean, I'm obviously not going to show you guys me showering because I don't show my assets. I'm not that kind of woman. I don't show my assets for free. No, I don't show my assets at all. I'm joking. I don't. So yeah, I'm going to hop into the shower and you will not come because you want to bamba. You want to chill with the big boys. You guys, I did my hair in the middle of the night, like when Akno was sleeping, because that was the only time I had to myself. So I did not sleep. I did my hair middle of the night after editing and posting my video, and then I did my hair. So immediately I was done doing my hair, I think she woke up. Then I had to feed her and she went back to bed. And I used the opportunity to sleep for like 2 hours. I think 3 hours. Let me give her credit until she woke up. So yeah, I'm running on little to no sleep, but that's fine because I mean it is what it is. I'm done getting dressed. Let me show you guys my outfit. I don't know if you guys can see properly. I have on this shirt and these pants, and my tongue is showing a little bit. I mean a lot, and I don't like it. And I don't like it at all. I've done everything possible, like. And people will, I know you'll be asking me, if your tummy is big, why are you not working? What are you doing to lessen it? That kind of a thing. Like, what are you doing to lessen it? Don't assume that I'm not doing anything. Ever since, like, I gave birth, I've been giving my tummy attitude. You know? I've been giving my tummy attitude, thinking that it will get the memo that it's not wanted and leave. And leave. But my tummy does not get the memo. It's still there looking at me. And I'm giving it, I'm not even talking to it, nothing, just giving it attitude. Like when you go somewhere and someone gives you attitude, sure you leave. It's an indication that you don't belong there. But my tongue does not have sense. It's just there, staring at me. What can I do? No, I'm ready for church. Let me go downstairs. Hey, baby. No, don't cry. Don't do it. Don't do it. She wanted to cry. You know, she did that half. It's like that.
Hey, did they go in? I don't catch you. Hey, did they go in?
This jumpsuit, focus. This jumpsuit, I bought it. It said 0 to 3 months. My baby is 3 months now, and it's still big on her. It's still big on you, mama. It's still big on you. It's still big on you, mama. Guys, I'm ready to go. Let me show you my full outfit. Okay. You guys, I'm back from church. I'm back. I don't have a picture of my outfit and I don't like it. But yeah, whatever. I'm back from church and I look good or whatever. The weather is just disgusting, man. Like no sunlight, nothing. It's just blah. Just gloomy. So I want to make fried rice today. So I'm just going to remove my clothes and make the fried rice. So that's what's up. That's what's up with me. What's up with you? What's up, guys? So I'm back from church, like I told you.
Please, no one will watch this thing. Please, I beg. Don't stop me now. Please, I beg you.
What's up? I'm back from church. As usual, I want to make stir fry.
I beg you, please.
You're watching.
Don't embarrass yourself. I beg you, please.
I'm back from church, guys. I want to make stir fry. I don't know what I'll use in making the stir fry, but I'm going to use all the vegetables here. I'm going to use it. I have broccoli, I have this. You guys, in case you don't know, I'm trying to manufacture my own accent, so I'm sampling different accents. Anyone that sticks, I'm going to take care. All done and ready for bed. She's hungry. That's why she's trying to suck the air. They're trying to eat air. This babe.
Somebody's crying, go low. Somebody's crying, go low. I need you love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in despair. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in despair. Somebody feels like no one cares.
You'll lead to something. You'll lead to something. Araba. Allow me to kiss your hand, be your man, you understand, yeah. Allow me to kiss your hand, be your man. Say I do. I be you, go be my, hey.
I'll kiss you, so baby.
Allow me to go back. Hey. Roller coaster, smooth sailing. Make it move fast. Allow raise your hand. Yeah.
I need your love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in despair. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in despair. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody feels like no one cares.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light with no, I won't be afraid. Oh, I keep afraid just as long as you stand by.
Can you hear me? So stop crying and moisturize your skin, okay? I guess not. We're gonna have to cry together. When you cry,
I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear just as long as you stand by.
I need you right away. Somebody's in despair. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in despair. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody feels like no one cares.
what's up? Good afternoon, my babes. Today is Monday and I wanted to use this opportunity to show you my little morning time. My lace is lifting, but then again it's always lifting, so I think I don't think this thing is new to you guys. Is it new? It's not new. As I was saying, I don't like to use this opportunity to show you guys my little morning time routine, just that it's not morning actually. Is the time now should be around 1 o'clock. I'm smelling the air and the air is telling me it's 1 o'clock. I just got dressed. I want to go to, that's my hair bonnet, because I want to, I don't know, this in focus. Anyway, as I was saying, this is my outfit. I want to go to the mailbox to check my mail. I've not checked my mail in a while, so yeah, I'm going there right now. My agenda for today actually is to create a content calendar, 1 month's worth content calendar that includes my time, that includes filming days, content ideas, and all of that. If I can accomplish it today, I'm going to be happy. I'll be happy, but I don't know how it's going to go, but that's actually my major goal for today. So but right now I'm going to post office. I say post office, I'm going to the mailbox, then come back and get to work. All right, I'll see you guys. I'm not taking you guys along with me. or am I? It's just down the road. Why do you want to come? Stop being nosy.
I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed.
I'm back and I'm trying to eat. I want to eat something. It's currently 1:48. I've not eaten anything today, not even water. I've not drunk water. Okay, like I drank water in the morning and that's just it. Apple baby.
Somebody's crying, oh Lord. I need your love today. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's crying, oh Lord. Somebody's crying, oh Lord. I need your love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Guys, it's currently 6:02 and I just finished 6:02 p.m. and I just finished editing. I just finished making my calendar. So I made like 1 month worth of content planning and also my calendar. And yeah, so mission accomplished for today. Tomorrow I film. Good morning, guys. This is not morning, this is afternoon. This is like 1 minute after 1. This is actually the next day, in case you all don't get the memo. And today, my major thing I want to do today is to post on YouTube, but that will be later today, and also edit my YouTube video. This particular video that I'm editing, I edited it previously and I mistakenly deleted it from my phone, and that video is like 30 minutes long. So I'm kind of devastated. I'm also expecting delivery of my new sewing machine because my old one just gives me a lot of issues, and because I want to start actively sewing, and it's supposed to arrive today. So if I'm done editing my stuff, I'll set it up. So I'll show you guys how I set it up. Sweet skipping rope. I got skipping rope, just normal regular skipping rope. Some needles for my sewing machine because I got heavy duty sewing machine, so I also got heavy duty needles to match with it. That's basically what's inside my Amazon package. Hopefully they deliver my package today so I can set up my sewing machine and start sewing. I've actually missed sewing, and I know I'm going to be rough with it for a while, but I'll get back into it. I'm going to get back into it, sewing and creating content. You know, most of you guys know me or started subscribing on my channel from my TikTok sewing videos. Let's start subscribing to my channel for my TikTok sewing videos. So I've actually missed those kind of videos. It's usually really exciting when I'm sewing and filming, and I can't wait to get back to it. So I got this skipping rope just to try to lose some weight, do some cardio to try to lose some weight. Hopefully I even get to use it because good. I shall update you guys before I go to bed. My sewing machine did not come today, which kind of sucks. I'm not showing my cleavage. What's wrong with you? And even if I am, my body, my rules. As I was saying before, misogyny interrupted. Yeah. As I was saying before, so which kind of sucks. And secondly, like, I couldn't finish editing my video today, so my agenda for today just failed. But I still have one more on my list, and if I can do it today before I go to sleep, I'm going to be happy. So I will update you guys tomorrow to know if I completed it. Well, I couldn't finish editing my video because my baby was extra cranky today, so I had to like give her all the attention. Good girl. I had to give her all the attention. Anyway, I'm going to bed right now, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. This is actually not morning. This is 12:38. I just wanted to update you guys. Yesterday I did finish I posted on my YouTube channel, which, yeah, I'm proud of myself for that. I'm going to edit today. I seem not to be eager to do anything today just because I really want to receive my sewing machine. Like, I was okay for it to come on Thursday because they said like expected due date, delivery date was supposed to be on Thursday. Onto Amazon, Akora just gossiped and told me yesterday, oh, your delivery is coming today. I mean that yesterday. I was like, oh my god, I was so excited. Like, it's even coming earlier than expected. I was really excited, always looking out of my door. I mean, they did deliver something, but not my sewing machine. Like, they delivered my sewing machine needle and my skipping rope, like I showed you guys yesterday. But that was literally all they delivered. I kept looking out. I didn't see anything. Only later, like in the middle of the night, for me to track the Amazon package, and they said, we are so sorry, we are not able to deliver it today. Sorry for yourself, because you should have just kept your mouth shut. You should have kept your mouth shut, and I wouldn't have been expecting it. Now you have me all riled up. Like, I'm so upset, literally so upset. And you stop throwing up your food. What's wrong with you? Anyway, yeah, that's this thing. I'm supposed to edit my video today. I'm supposed to also cook jollof rice. Those are the two main things I'm supposed to do today. Let's see if I get them done. The editing my video is a heavy hitter because that video is supposed to be like 40 minutes long, and yeah, I've not even gotten started. Why do you remove your socks? I've not even gotten started, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the development. I'll probably show you guys when I'm making the rice and a little bit of when I'm making the editing my video, but that's just literally it. I'm not in a vlogging mood today, so you looking at me. Why are you looking at me? Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me. Good morning. What's what's up and how you guys doing? Anyway, yesterday did I finish editing? No, but did I get to the point that I'll finish editing? The answer is yes, so I'm proud of myself for that. My sewing machine is here, so I'm going to set it up. I don't know if I'm going to set it up today. Today I'm going grocery shopping, I'm going to finish editing, and I'm going to make my media kit. You know that price kit that you send to brands when they contact you? I'm going to make it. And yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do today. So I will see you guys when I'm ready to go grocery shopping, and then if I'm going to set up my sewing machine today, you guys will see. Are you sleeping, Mommy? You guys, I'm ready to go. Let me show you my outfit. This is my outfit for today. This doesn't okay. I wanted to try. Can you help me bring that bag?
I need you right away. Somebody is in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody is in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
You guys, I want to get shrimp, okra. Wait, let me look at my list. So my list is sweet corn, thyme, non-alcoholic red wine, shrimp, and okra. Huh? So where am I? Okay, no, I'm not buying non-alcoholic red wine because we already have it, right?
I don't know, I think we have a group check.
Where is the okra? Yeah, you guys let me know when you see okra. Let me know when you see okra and shrimp. I don't want to find it before you guys. Let me know. Okra, where are you? I'm going to get dinner. First. Yeah, I think I found okra. I found it before you guys, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I have found sweet corn. I'm just getting one. I just saw a bigger one, and that one is $4 compared to the smaller one, so I'm taking the bigger one. So you know, I was recording and my battery said peace out and died. As I was saying before my battery really interrupted me, I got everything I need apart from shrimp because it was on sale, because we always buy shrimp on sale. So sorry to the shrimp. So that's basically it. I'm going home right now to edit my video, and when I'm done, hopefully I can do all that. I can check out my sewing machine. I'm so excited. Are you excited for me?
Excited.
You're excited for me? That's so nice. I'm back home now. Now the buying. I got these cookies. Before I go upstairs and change, I'm going to taste each and every one of them to see what it tastes like. This one has a very complicated taste. I got Oreos. Okay. When I said Oreos, I thought it was like Noreos. You know Noreos now, the one they sell in Nigeria, but it tastes so different. I've never tasted Oreos before in my life. That was an experience. And this is the last one. Fudgy.
Somebody's crying, go low. Somebody's crying, go low. I need you not today. I need you right away.
Am I done editing my video? The answer is yes. Did I do any other thing today apart from, yeah, I went grocery shopping, so it was like highly productive, okay? But apart from that, have I even eaten? The answer is no. I guess I ate cookies, I ate biscuits, so yeah. What you said? Anyway, I'm just going to make something to eat now. I'm going to eat okra soup. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I will not be able to unbox my sewing machine today because it's late, so, and I have a baby to take care of. But if I unbox it today, I'll show you guys here. But if I don't unbox it today, I'll show you guys tomorrow. Bye. What's up, guys? I'm currently in my, see me, I'm bored. You guys, I'm bored. I am currently in my studio and I want to try the sewing machine. Yeah, I couldn't wait till the next day, so let's open up this bad boy. Let me show you guys the sewing machine. I got the Singer heavy duty. I got the Singer heavy duty sewing. This is how the packet looks. So I'm just going to unbox it and see what's up. Oh no. It has a bag that I don't know if it's the bag I'll use. This is definitely not the bag I can use and put in the sewing machine inside. So I don't know what this thing is, but we'll find out. Now this is the star of the show. I don't know how to do an unboxing. That's why I buy a lot of things, but I don't know that unboxing because I don't know how to do that thing. I like, you know, yeah. I like, you know, cause I don't know what I'm doing. And like, you know, yeah. Yay! I hope I'll be able to put back all these things I'm removing. Interesting. Let me replace this thing with the Bobby this thing I already have and see. Or I should just do it. Let me just do it. I'm going to try and sew this hair bonnet that I was trying to make the other day and my machine died on me. All done. One thing I can say about this is that the straight stitch is not so straight. I used to think, like, when I was sewing it, I was like, it was so zigzag. Like at first I was like, ooh, the straight stitch is not so straight. Then until I realized that it was my fault. My hand was not straight. My hand was moving like a snake. Moved like a snake. Like a snake. So it's cool, it's cute, or whatever. Nice. But I'll keep using it and see if I'll have any issue with it, but I doubt.